down there and be like, you guys want some help? I come back. So we come back in my truck.
There's a lot of money to be made right here now.
Fuck yeah, I bet your daddy would pay me the whole plan.
Yeah.
Probably make it.
Oh, it's Joey's mom?
Yeah, they need some book down there. Damn.
I was going to see Joey anyway. That'd be great. Maybe take that way, take the road with all the power and stuff.
Yeah, I can't get down there either. It's locked up.
I hate to tell you, but she ain't watching our fucking kids. Not after.
I'll bring them over there and see her, but she ain't watching.
Not after what she just said.
Hell no, she's fucking crazy.
You gotta eat pot.
She always asks me, I was like, oh, can you give me some weed?
Oh my god.
No, I guarantee you, they're not staying there without one of us being there.
I'll bring it by to see them, but...
I'll be like that kid on the fucking...
That'd be like last, like a case of emergency, like we cannot...
No, it wouldn't even...
I would watch that kid be grandma and everything, you know.
I wouldn't fucking give that kid if it was the last resort.
Grandma and then would watch that kid before he fucking let her watch it.
And then... I'd be like that kid on fucking that show, and if I found out that you fucking let them watch it, yeah. I'm recording everything. You going to the power lines? Power lines are right over here. But he's going too fast, but I'm not going to catch it.
You can't see it, didn't he?
Right there.
Damn.
Yeah, you didn't see it.
You could get your seatbelt on.
The house was like, I want to see.
Back that way?
Yeah. I don't know, that's
stuck. That's gonna bring the whole interior of the house into rain. Just saying.
Is that Alex Hampton? Yeah, it is, ain't it?
Stop pussy!
All I'm saying is,
Record this?
yeah, that, giving our kids event shit, that ain't gonna fly.
I told her, yeah, nevertheless, she's like, why wouldn't you let me watch you?
I know you were just...
all fucking day.
I know you...
I watch her cat. I just watch her all the time so she can go out to the club.
I know you were just saying that, but I'm just reassuring you that's all you were doing is just saying it, because it ain't happening.
I used to just watch them before. Yeah, I didn't watch Lindsay. I was like, just start fucking taping and watch her. And that kid was
Alright,
horrible.
we can go back down.
Every time Kathy left her, she would scream.
Should have brought my camera inside the house and videotaped that. It's kind of like rude, like, especially because they don't know me. But
If you spend 1,500 phones, you're gonna be fucking news company.
Magic out here in no time.
I can send pictures, but I can't send videos. They're too long.
Can you upload it to the computer?
If I plug it in and upload it.
Yeah, we can send it to the website.
You want to think flashing red, that's it.
That's not good.
Yeah, that's not good.
It's out.
That means there's something
Wrong.
down and everyone's walking the neighborhood.
Definitely wasn't a tornado, so they can get that up. I'm pretty sure. If it was a tornado, it'd be household. It wasn't such widespread.
It would have been like a one line of it. It would have been scattered like it is.
not big enough to accept the car.
Like, oh my god, it's so bad. And you go over there, the fucking streets are blocked off, and there's limbs in everyone's yard. They got it worse over there.
The dumpster flipped over.
I would say they got it the worst.
Yeah, like downtown Demotte.
Yeah.
On the side street.
The houses. Isn't the house right here that had that Demotte?
Yeah. Turn your lights on.
Oh, well, I always put it on auto and then Mom turns it off. Because I forget.
Shit, got the brain yard.
Yeah, with the headstone.
Well, I can turn around over here.
Doesn't look like it.
That's right there.
Holy shit. Come back so I can get that on video.
Dude, that truck had gas in it, and yeah, chainsaw, I'd be going around. Could make some good money
We
right
have a
now.
chainsaw, but I don't have nothing for it. You know what I mean? Like oil or gas, or the blade hasn't been sharpened and hasn't been started in 10 years.
You did. Fucking perfect.
Yeah, this would be pink. If holy shit.
Why people are saying that?
I don't give a fuck.
Pull up and
Do what?
There'll be something on the news about it.
Oh, I'm sure there will be.
Pretty fucking bad.
There's a tree down in at least like every half a mile radius.
Oh, there's like a limbs and stuff down everywhere.
Well, yeah, everyone has something down.
Oh,
Pick on top of it.
Yeah, sure. We weren't just fucking sitting here or nothing.
where you go to? Go ahead. Go ahead. Go.
Oh, there's the Jew.
Like the guy in the front of me. Yeah, but he was going this way. He could have went earlier.
Yeah, instead of waiting.
When that car was on this side, he could have went down this way. There really wasn't going to be many people to the fucking bus.
Like in the shaded area. It's supposed to go right here. All it does is go up, that's it.
No.
Don't go back. Oh. That way I can just go like this. A message.
You want to let you sound the bass up?
Why